Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online classes of business studies by Sir Padmacha Reddy. Hope your health is good and we can continue our classes. As we were learning about the business environment chapter, and yesterday we have completed the topic that is the importance of business environment. Today we will be going to learn a very important topic from the board exam point of view, that is dimensions of business environment. In this topic we will be going to learn what are the different dimensions which we have to understand in the business environment and which are part of the business environment. Dimensions of or the factors constituting the business environment include economic, social, technological, political and legal conditions which are considered relevant for decision making and improving the performance of an enterprise. In contrast to the specific environment, these factors explain the general environment which mostly influences many enterprises at the same time. However, management of every enterprise can benefit from being aware of these dimensions instead of being disinterested in them. For instance, scientific research has discovered a technology that makes it possible to produce an energy efficient light bulb that lasts at least 20 times as long as a standard bulb. Senior managers in the lighting divisions at General Electric and Philips recognized that this discovery had the potential to significantly affect their unit growth and profitability. So they have carefully allowed the progress on this research and profitably used its findings. A brief discussion of the various factors constituting the general environment of business is given below. In this particular topic, in the introductory part, we have understood that business environment it never means with a one topic. It constitutes the five topics, that is economic, social, technological, political and legal conditions, which are considered relevant for decision making and improving the performance of an enterprise. This specific environment helps the businessman to survive for a longer period of time without any hurdles in their business and can help to maximize the profit. So let us understand the various dimensions of business environment. In this particular topic we have learned also one example. The scientific research has discovered a technology that makes it possible to produce an energy efficient light bulb. It means that bulb not only lights but also it is energy efficient, it saves the electricity and it helps the people to save their eyes. Let us see more examples with the dimensions. The very first dimension of business environment is economic environment. Interest rates, inflation rates, changes in disposable income of people, stock market indices and the value of rupee are some of the economic factors that can affect management practices in the business enterprise. Moreover, if we want to know about the economic environment, here all the factors will come which is related to monetary value or the fiscal policy. Monetary value means money value, which always goes up and down with the change with the day wise, and also the fiscal policy which the government sets according to the income of the people and the current situation of the society. So that two topics will come in the economic environment. Every businessman have to understand this economic environment so that there can be no problem of monetary and fiscal in their business. Interest, that's why the topics which come was interest rate, inflation rate, as many times it happens when the bank gives lower rate of interest and business want to produce increase the production. Sometimes it happens if they want to produce more goods, they want to increase the production capacity, that time the interest rate fluctuates and it goes higher. So all these studies have to be made by the businessman so that they can set this external factors with the internal factors and can survive. So the factor in this factor only we take the money value, the monetary value and the fiscal policies which are made by the government. Short and long term interest rates significantly affect the demand for products and services. For example, in case of construction companies and automobile manufacturers, low longer term rates are beneficial because they result in increased spending by consumers for buying homes and cars on borrowed money. Similarly, a rise in the disposable income of people due to increase in the gross domestic product of a country creates increasing demand for products. High inflation rates generally result in constraints on business enterprises as they increase the various costs of business, such as the purchase of raw materials or machinery and payment of wages and salaries to employees. So all this up and downs in the outflow and inflow of the business can be become easier when the businessman are making a pre-scanning of this economic factor, and that itself is known as economic environment. May I think the meaning of economic environment or the first dimension of business environment is clear to you all. The second dimension of business environment is social environment. The social environment of business include the social forces like customs and traditions, values, social trends, society's expectations from business, etc. Traditions define social practices that have lasted for decades or even centuries. For example, the celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Guru Parv in India provide significant financial opportunities for greeting card companies, sweets of confectionery manufacturers, tailoring outlets, and many other related business. Value refers to concept that a society holds in high esteem. In India, individual freedom, social justice, equality of opportunity, and national integration are examples of major values cherished by all of us. In business terms, these values translate into freedom of choice in the market, business responsibility toward the society, and non-discriminatory employment practices. Social trends present various opportunities and threats to business enterprises. For example, the health and fitness trend has become popular among large number of urban dwellers. This has created a demand for products like organic food, gyms, bottled mineral water, and food supplements. So you can understand from these few points and the example that these things demand has been increased because customer want has changed with the changing time. So that the thing which is related to the customers comes in the social environment, and social environment constitute the factors like customs and tradition, which is very important factor because every country is having their own tradition, and whatever thing we are producing, it must not affect to the tradition of the country. So today's class gets over with these two dimensions of business environment. The other three dimensions of business environment we will continue in the next class.